I'll tell you a quick story too on that. While we were doing these walkthroughs in the beginning, we were looking at single families. So I don't know if you guys been in bungalows where they're putting the dormers on those and they're making a master suite. So everybody's like, man, it's nice, and the fellas are like, man, this is nice. So we go in the bathroom and all the fellas, it's like 3 guys, including myself, we're all like, man, this bathroom is nice. It's everything in here is perfect. And we had a young lady she just walked past and she was like, I was like, this is beautiful. She was like, where am I put my toothbrush at? Because all it was, it just had bowl sinks with no cabinet space around it, no counters like the bowls there. So we're just standing there looking. We're like, man, she got a point. So I say that.